focus on the karma, and I was like, however it goes, however it turns out to be, maybe a medal, maybe no medal at all, maybe I'll be eliminated, maybe I'll win a gold today. However it goes, I have to accept it, and I have to be grateful that I was given this opportunity to be here today representing India. So that's how I look at it.
Perfect day for India at Olympics. Manu Baka getting the first medal for India in shooting. Hello everyone. We'll start the bulletin with shooting, followed by other sports.
Let's start with shooting. Shooting gave India its first medal at Paris. Manu Bhaker makes history. The 22-year-old, featuring in her second games, became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in shooting. A bronze in the women's 10-meter air pistol event gave India its first medal on the second day of the competition. Korea won gold and silver in the event. Korea's Oh Jin set a new Olympic record to win gold. Manu shared the turning point of her life.
I think the turning moment for me would be like back in 2000, like last year, 2023. So my coach asked me, what do you want to do in life? So I was like, I don't know. I'll probably leave shooting after a while, maybe a year or two, and then I'll probably go to like study something abroad, like maybe like in political science, or do something, maybe like give attempts for civil services and all. So I am, although I'm keen towards it, but he was like, you are one of the best shooters in the country and also in the world, not just in the country but also in the world. So it's you who have to decide and put your mind to what you want to do in life. And so I was like, okay, you tell me what you think, what you would be when if you were in my place. So he said that I would give everything that I have for the sport. I would never look back at what went by, and I would definitely try to fulfill my dream. If I've dreamt of one Olympic medal, gold medal, or like as many medals, I will definitely give everything that I have for that medal.
Manu Bhaker became the fifth Indian to win a medal in shooting, joining four other male shooters in an elusive club. Earlier, Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Abhinav Bindra, Gagan Naran, and Vijay Kumar had won Olympic medals for India in shooting. India's gold medal shooter Abhinav Bindra was already expecting this performance. Manu's coach Jaspal Rana said she has made everyone proud.
She has done everyone proud, and especially when she is the first medalist of this Olympic and she is the first female from shooting to win medal for the country. So it's a really proud moment for me.
There was more good news from the shooting range as Ramita Jindal qualified for the final in the women's 10-meter air rifle event. While it was heartbreak for Ilavanian Valarivan, missed the cut for the final after finishing 10th. In men's 10-meter air rifle qualification, Arjun Babuta qualified for the final, while Sandeep Singh missed out after finishing 12th. In rowing, Balraj Pandwa finished second in the repechage race to make the quarters of the men's single sculls competition. There was disappointment at the archery range as the Ankita Bhagat-led Indian women's team lost 6-0 to the Netherlands in the quarterfinals. Earlier two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu kicked off India's campaign on Sunday with a dominant win over Fatima Naba Abdul Razak of Maldives in the group stage match. Later in the evening, HS Pranoy made it a good day for badminton by seeing off Germany's Fabian Roth in men's singles on his Olympic debut at 32 years. It was a mixed day for table tennis as veteran Sharat Kamal suffered a shock defeat in men's singles. Meanwhile, Manika Batra and Srija Akulla registered dominant wins in their respective round of 64 matches. Nikat Zareen began her campaign with a win in the women's 50 kg boxing. Nikat won the bout via an unanimous points decision, and she is set to face Hu Yu of China in the next round. Elsewhere, India's campaign ended in swimming as Srihari Natraj and Dinedi Desingu bowed out in the men's 100 meters breaststroke and women's 200 meters freestyle categories respectively. And that's a wrap on today's results. Let's have a look at the medals tally. India are tied 22nd on the medals tally after the second day of the competition, thanks to Manu Bakar's historic bronze.
Let's have a look on the events where India is going to participate today.
In shooting, Ramita Jindal will eye Olympics glory in the 10-meter air rifle final, while Arjun Babota will take guard in the men's event. In 10-meter air pistol mixed event, history maker Manu Bakar will be in action along with Sarabjit Singh. Rhythm Sangwan and Arjun Singh Chima will be the second Indian team in the same event. And in men's trap shooting competition, Prithviraj Tondaiman will start his campaign. In the men's Pool B hockey action, India will take on Argentina. In badminton, men's singles, Lakshya Sen will take on Julian Karaju, while in doubles, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty will play their second group match against German opponents. Also, the men's archery team will look to do better in their quarterfinals.
That's all for now. Keep following us for more updates.